How to withdraw money from Forex Royale app. Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how withdrawals work in the Forex Royale app. A lot of people get confused about this, so let's clear everything up step by step. Forex Royale is a mobile app designed to simulate cryptocurrency trading. Think of it as a practice platform where you can buy and sell Bitcoin along with other cryptocurrencies, all without risking real money. As you can see on my screen, my current balance in Forex Royale is 10,000. Pretty cool, right? But here's the important part. That balance is made up of virtual currency. You can earn, trade, and build your portfolio inside the app. But everything you're dealing with is completely simulated. Now, before going any further, let's double-check what Forex Royale actually is. If you head over to the Google Play Store and search for the app, you'll see it's listed as a trading simulator. That means it works more like a game than a real exchange. It's built to teach you the basics of crypto trading, help you practice strategies, and give you a feel for the market, but without any real-world financial risk. So what about withdrawing money? Here's the truth. Even though you can make profits inside Forex Royale, those profits are purely virtual. You cannot transfer them to your bank account or cash them out as real money. The app is strictly for practice and education, not for making actual income. I also double-checked this by looking up more information online, and it's confirmed. Forex Royale is only a learning tool. The money you see inside the app is not real and can't be withdrawn. So to wrap it up, Forex Royale is an excellent way to practice crypto trading without putting your own money on the line. But remember, the earnings you see are just virtual. There's no option to withdraw them in real life. If you still have questions about Forex Royale, or if you'd like me to cover other trading apps and platforms, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one.